Hi guys, my name is Shivli and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my most favorite 3 ingredient DIY face mask for super glowy, plumpy and fresh, clean looking skin. Let's jump right in. Firstly, I'm going to use a fork and smash some papayas. You can also use a blender, whatever works for you. Then I'm going to add some fine rice powder into this smashed papaya. The third thing that I'm going to be adding to this is half a lemon. You can completely skip the lemon if you have sensitive skin. I urge you to skip the lemon if you have sensitive skin. This mask works great even with just papaya and rice powder. If you have oily skin, you can use the lemon, but I would advise you to do a little patch test because lemon can be pretty abrasive, and if it doesn't suit you, it'll actually make your skin worse. So please do a patch test, and if you have sensitive skin, keep away. Mix all of these ingredients and apply it to your face. I keep this mask on for about 20 to 30 minutes. I let it dry out completely. Then I take a little bit of cold water and in circular motions massage this mask for 5 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. That's what I do. Papaya contains papain and vitamin A. Papaya removes the dead skin cells from your skin, thus rejuvenating your skin and revealing the glowing skin from within. Secondly, this contains rice powder, which has a lot of amino acids and vitamins, which act as a natural exfoliant and a great anti-inflammatory agent. It helps remove suntan and lightens and brightens your skin. Third ingredient is lemon, which contains vitamin C and antioxidant. It helps reduce skin damage and premature aging. I ask you to remove this in circular motion because of the rice powder, which acts like a natural scrub for your skin. And I just took a shower and I came out. I'm still in my towel, but I was so excited to show you my skin. Look how shiny and bright and plumpy and glowy my skin looks. I did not use any toner or moisturizer yet. I just hopped out of the shower to show you how my skin looks like right after washing off. This is my every Sunday ritual. I do this whenever I can, mostly on Sundays. Using it once a week or 2 to 3 times a month actually gives you great skin. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel.